Nope, we're gonna have a snack instead. Can you snore like Dada? Dada snore. See, look, Dada snoring. There's Dada. Can you snore like Dada? We gotta show Dada what he sounds like. What's in there, vodka? It's water. Is Daddy being loud? Oh, let's just have a snack. Is that it? Mom is getting outed for watching Teen Mom 3. Can you sleep? Can you sleep like Daddy? What's Daddy doing?